Hi students, this is Viswanath, your chemistry teacher for NEET and IIT exams. In previous class, we have completed some of the questions regarding to IIT JEE 16th March afternoon session exam. Now say the next one. Match the following reagent and elements which are detected by that reagent. Here, Lawson's test is used for the detection of nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, and halogens, and copper 2 oxide is used for the detection of carbon and hydrogen elements present in the given compound. So, given compound is treated with this compound, then we can identify copper and hydrogen. So, Lawson's test suitable option P2. And copper 2 oxide is used for the detection of carbon and hydrogen. This side carbon is given. So Q4. Silver nitrate is used for the detection of halogens, chlorine, bromine, iodine are present in the given compound. Then we can identify them by using silver nitrate. So R3. Next, sodium fusion extract gives black precipitate with acetic acid and lead acetate. That means sulfur is present in the given compound. Then yes, 1. Now say this. Lawson's test. It is used for the detection of nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, and halogens. Copper 2 oxide is used for the detection of carbon and hydrogen. AgNO3 is used for the detection of halogens, and sodium fusion extract, last one is sodium fusion plus acetic acid plus lead acetate. This is used for sulfur. So this one, Lawson's test, Cu2 oxide, AgNO3, sodium fusion. Then what is the suitable option? Option A is the answer. Next, this reactant is treated with Grignard reagent C6H5MgBr in presence of dry ether followed by acidic hydrolysis. Note down the given reactant. This is given reactant cyanide OCH3. It is treated with 1 equivalent of C6H5MgBr, phenyl magnesium bromide, in presence of dry ether. Then we can get, say this, C double bond N MgBr for this C6H5 group. It remains as it is and followed by acidic hydrolysis. Then we can get the product. This is the product. pH means C6H5. OCH3. Then what is the suitable option? Option D is the answer. 14th question, option D is the answer. Next, which of the following is the most basic compound in aqueous medium? So in aqueous medium, what is the basicity order for amines? In aqueous medium, secondary amines greater than tertiary amines, greater than primary amines, greater than NH3. So here this is the secondary amine. Option A is the answer. It is the most basic because this is tertiary amine. So between these two, it has more basic nature. And in this compound, option B, see here, CH3, C double bond O, NH, C2H5. Nitrogen having lone pair of electrons, oxygen also Now, between carbon and oxygen is more electronegative. These pi electrons can shift here. This lone pair of electrons shifted between carbon and nitrogen. So, in this way, these lone pair of electrons are involved in the conjugation. That's why basic nature is less. Similarly, option C, CH3, C double bond O, N, C double bond O, CH3. Here in this also, these pi electrons are shifted to oxygen. This lone pair present on the nitrogen involved in the double bond formation, or this side also lone pair of electrons shifted to oxygen. This lone pair is shifted to this one. So here also lone pair of electrons present on the nitrogen are involved in the pi bond formation. That's why basic character is less. So option A is the most basic compound in these options. Next, compound is treated with ozone gives A. That is treated with the Tollens reagent, we can get silver mirror. So from this we can confirm A is a aldehyde. Aldehyde is obtained from particular compound on ozonolysis, means it should be alkyne. And moreover, terminal alkyne, non-terminal alkyne, two types are there. In that, terminal alkyne gives aldehydes. Remember this point. Terminal alkyne on ozonolysis gives aldehydes, whereas non-terminal alkynes gives ketones. So here we want aldehyde because it should exhibit Tollens reagent test. That's why terminal alkyne in the given options. What is that? This one. So write down this. CH triple bond C, CH2, CH3 treated with ozone followed by zinc and water. Then we can get this one. CH2, CH3, Tollens reagent. So it is a carbonyl compound having C double bond O and aldehyde. This aldehyde responds positively with this reagent. Then we can get silver mirror. So what is the option? Option A is the answer. Next, ammonolysis of alkyl halide to prepare amines followed by NaOH. What is the role of NaOH in this reaction? Say this, we can get free amine. The free amine can be obtained from the free amine can be obtained from the ammonium salt by treatment with a strong base. In the ammonolysis process, alkyl halide reacts with NH3 to form ammonium chloride, ammonium halide. From that ammonium halide, we can get free amine by the reaction with strong base. See the general reaction for this. RNH3X plus NaOH, or NH3X plus NaOH gives rise to RNH2 plus H2O plus NaX. So in this way we can get free amine by the action of NaOH in ammonolysis. So here acidic nature HCl is removed from this, hydrogen and chlorine both are removed. So the functioning of NaOH is to remove acidic impurities. Option C is the answer. Next, last question in this class. Say this compound is treated with particular reagent, then COOH, CH3 is converted to COOH. This reagent we should identify. with what reagent we can get product? Observe the structures of reactant and product. CH3 converted to COOH. So oxidation takes place. Given options, it is reducing reagent. This one also reducing reagent. Then what is the suitable one? This one. H plus. KMnO4, potassium permanganate in presence of acid. We can convert this CH3 into COOH. Then option B is the answer. Thank you, students.